Hey my dear mothers, welcome back to my channel Rocking Abir and Mom. So today's video is a recipe video and now I am going to show you how to make oats idli. It is very healthy, it is very healthy breakfast food and from 7 months baby can eat. So let's start the process. So here is the ingredients: grated carrot, grated gajar, then oats, then ghee, then masala. I took three masalas: kalonji, then jeera, then pachforan. You can add any other also. You can add salt and turmeric also. You can add haldi. So first of all, roast the oats properly. So roast them. Now make a fine powder in mixie. So my powder is ready, oats powder is ready. Yes, now heat ghee in a kadhai, heat them properly. Abir. So now add that three masala. You can add curry leaf also. You can add curry leaves. Fry them properly. So now let's make a batter, oats batter. Now add water in this oats powder and make a fine batter. Lemon juice, I am adding lemon juice. You can add dahi also, you can add, or lemon juice. So make a fine batter that like idli batter. So I am fry this grated gajar also. You can add any other vegetables also. Dhania also you can add, dhania patta, then capsicum, any other vegetable which your baby like to eat. So my batter is ready. Now let's see this gajar is fried properly or not. Yeah, it is cooked. So switch off the gas. Now this fried gajar I will add in this oats batter, this fried gajar. Add them. Yeah, so mix them properly and make this type of batter. So oats idli batter is ready. This that cooked gajar, mix that cooked gajar in this oats batter and make a fine batter. So add eno, mix them properly. Mix properly. You can add salt and haldi also you can add. So my batter is ready, idli batter is ready. So I don't have a steamer, idli steamer, so that's why I'm making this way. It is also very easier process, but make sure that these bowls should be greased with oil properly, oil or ghee. Now so this is the process. This way made I'm making this idli this way. It is also very easy process. If you don't have steamer, then you can cook this way. So the idli is ready, oats idli is ready. So my dear mothers, oats idli is ready and I hope you like this recipe and your baby will also like to eat. So my dear mothers, please like on the like button, subscribe my channel, and please write down in the below given comment box your your opinion, your like, dislike, anything. If you have any question, then please write down in the comment box. Bye bye.